Hi, this is Ryan Haight with Brighter Logics, and I'm going to show you how to edit, copy, and delete lesson plans, as well as how to separate a lesson plan from a sequence of lesson plans. So as you can see here, I have some biology lesson plans set up for the week. The first thing I want to show you is how to edit a lesson plan. There are two ways to edit a lesson plan. The first is by double-clicking on the lesson plan. This takes you straight to the edit page. The other way is to click on Options and then click Edit. When you're at the edit page, you can make any changes on the lesson plan that you want, whether if it's just adding some more details or modifying the state standards. In this case, I'm going to make a change to the title, scroll down, and click on Save and Done. And as you can see here, the title has been changed. The next thing I want to show you is how to copy a lesson plan. For this example, I want to copy this lesson plan here on Monday over here to Friday. To copy a lesson plan to another day, you simply click on Options and then Copy. This brings up the same edit page as I was showing you before, but I am actually creating a copy of this lesson plan, not editing the lesson that I clicked on. So in this case, I'll change the date that I want to teach this lesson plan on to Friday. I scroll down and click on Save and Done. So as you can see here, the lesson plan copied to Friday, but still remains on Monday as well. To delete a lesson plan, you click on Options and then Delete. Click OK to the message that pops up and your lesson plan is deleted. Now, if you delete a lesson plan or anything by accident and need to recover it, you can always go to the recycle bin by clicking Manage and then Recycle Bin. This gives you access to everything you have deleted within the last 15 days, whether if it's a lesson plan or even a class. After it's been in the recycle bin for 15 days, it gets removed from SideKick. Now, how to separate a lesson plan from a sequence of lesson plans. A sequence of lesson plans means that when you create a lesson plan that spans multiple days or multiple classes, it creates what we call a sequence. So as you can see here on Thursday, I am teaching all of my biology classes the same lesson plan. So I created one lesson plan that spans multiple classes. You can create one lesson plan that spans multiple days as well. Now if I edit any of these lesson plans, it changes all of these lesson plans because they are in a sequence. So let's edit the title of this lesson plan. Scroll down and click Save and Done. And as you can see here, it changed the title on all of these lessons. Now, what if there is an assembly in my second period biology class? I need to change this lesson, but I don't want to change the rest of them. I simply click on Options and then Separate on the lesson you want to detach or separate from this sequence. Now I can edit just this lesson plan by itself and it won't modify the rest of the sequence. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this lesson in my second period biology class. So let me give you another example of how this would be beneficial for you. I've heard from some teachers that they like to give tests every Friday for the entire year. So let's say that I want to create a lesson plan called Biology Test and assign it throughout the entire school year. I set the start date, then the end date, which would be the end of the year, but I only want to show up every Friday. So I click on Show Day of Week List and uncheck every day but Friday. I then select the correct class and fill out any other details you want and then click on Save and Done. Now as you can see here, as I navigate throughout the weeks, it shows the biology test on every Friday for that class. Now remember, this is a sequence of lesson plans, so if I edit or delete just one of these, it will edit or delete all of them. So if you don't end up having a test on this Friday, simply click on Options and then Separate. Then you can delete it and it won't delete the rest of them. This concludes our video. Please view our other how-to videos and emails with any questions or feedback at support@brighterlogics.com. Thank you.